Merhaba, salam alaikum, and welcome to today's video. As you can probably already tell, it'll be a little different today, with a voiceover this time. I wanted to try something new, so let me know how you like it in the comments down below. For now, let's get on with the video. As you've seen in the thumbnail, today's dish is puff pastry pockets, also called Börek, some of them filled with cream cheese, and others with a ground beef veggie mixture. Let's go. Firstly, start off with cooking the ground beef in some olive oil in a pan. Start chopping it apart a bit as shown, and leave it to cook on medium heat. Afterwards, take a paprika, or multiple colored ones, remove their seeds, and cut them into little squares. Add those to the pan and mix everything together. Also, add more oil if it's necessary, and chop the ground beef apart once again. For the cream cheese filling, take a separate bowl, and add some minced garlic, as well as some chopped up spring onions and parsley. Here's a little life hack for you. Cut off the roots off of the spring onion, and put it in a small glass with some water to grow some of your own. Now for the next step, take a separate saucepan, and cook up on low heat some frozen spinach. Of course, you can also just use fresh spinach if you have it. Just cut that up before mixing it with the cream cheese in the bowl. Also, add some tomato paste and sauce according to your liking to your ground beef, and stir everything together. Then cut up some olives and jalapenos and add them to both of the fillings. While you're at it, don't forget to season everything with some salt and pepper and other spices you like. Also, if you want to, you can later on add some corn and red beans to the ground beef mixture. Take a new pan and add some sliced up onions, coat them in a little bit of sugar, and leave them then to caramelize. Later on add them to the bowl where you're going to mix up the cream cheese filling eventually until everything is well combined. Don't forget to add in your cooked or fresh spinach as well. Now after you've prepared both of your fillings, take your phyllo, or puff pastry dough, and cut it 3 times across as shown here. Cover everything with a damp towel so the sheets don't dry out. And now it's finally time to assemble everything. Take each time 1 cut sheet of the phyllo dough and put in a spoonful or 2 of the cooled down ground beef veggie filling. Then fold in the sides as demonstrated here and roll it together carefully so the dough doesn't rip underneath. Repeat that process until you have none of the filling left. Put everything on a baking tray and brush the rolls with some egg wash and sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. Let them then cook in the oven until they're golden brown. Moving on to the cream cheese filling. Basically, you could repeat the same process like you did with the previous rolls, but you can also change up the shape of your Börek, as shown here in a triangular shape. Any excess dough can be tucked in with some light egg wash. When you're done with that as well, brush on some egg yolk as well and sprinkle some cheese on top of them. Let everything cook in the oven until golden brown once again. Optionally, you can also prepare a dipping sauce of your choice to eat the Börek with later on. And this is how everything should look like when it's all done and cooked. Hope you enjoy this tasty recipe. And that's about it. I hope you enjoyed today's video and recipe, and even try to recreate it sometime. If you enjoyed the video, leave a thumbs up and comment down below how you liked this kind of voiced over video. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.